Hey guys, this training is specially for you. As it's specially designed for you, especially if you are a business person or and you want to increase your sales, you want to get more customers, you want to increase your sales, or you are thinking of starting a business but you don't even know. Okay, you have a business idea but you don't even know where the customers are going to come from. Now I want to open your eyes to something. I want to show you how you could get customers from WhatsApp organically. I want to show you how you could literally turn your WhatsApp contact to loyal customers. How will you turn your WhatsApp contact that you have to loyal customers? So I want to show you how to easily get over 1,000+ contacts from WhatsApp group and convert them to loyal customers that buy your product or services every single day, and you're going to make millions in your yearly revenue. Like, am I joking? Millions. Okay. If you will stick to me to the end, I'm going to prove to you that that is possible, and I'm going to show you example of people that um did not know how to do any business, but they were able to turn their WhatsApp that you're pressing every day. And I believe as a business person, you will have heard about how people are making millions in revenue from WhatsApp. And I want to show you how to do that in this class today and right now. So if you stick with me to the end, I'm going to show you how you're going to extract those contacts from WhatsApp group. I'm going to show you how you're going to convert them to loyal customers. And at the tail end, I'm going to show you a challenge that will help you generate 100,000 naira pure profit selling your product in 21 days. In 21 days, is a challenge that will help you generate 100,000 naira guarantee. If you stay to the end, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before I get to the class, it's important I tell you who am I and why you should listen to me. Okay, my name is Ayeni Johnson. I'm the founder of Forsellable, a digital agency that helps small business owner increase their sales. Now, the idea behind Forsellable is to help you sell your products, sell more of your product, and to sell all of your products. Is that okay? So, I actually had this idea. I started this business 2020 during the lockdown. In 2019, I got married. That was September. Um, you know, I was teaching in secondary school. I was earning 20,000 as of then. So I took my wife from Shagam, she stayed in Shagam, to Ondo here to come and stay here with me. I stay in Ondo presently, and I was earning 20,000. She left her job to come and join me here. And for the first month, we collected money from our wedding actually. So we're still basking in that money. So the money took us from that September to, let's say, ending of November or so. And salary was coming, 20,000 was coming here and there. So we're like, wow, still fine. But December, man, things was getting taxing. Money, wedding money has finished, salary was not enough. So I need to figure out what can I do. And if you know Ondo, the only available job in Ondo is to be a teacher or to work in a bank. And man, I don't have a banking job. So I have to figure out what can I do. So I've been searching online, and I get to learn affiliate marketing. I start from affiliate marketing before I now start learning how to be a salesman, which I am today conveniently. Not to speak of myself too much. So why you should listen to me, because I've been able to train some certain set of people that don't have any business and now have a business running here now and here in WhatsApp. Now this is Chuku. Chuku is saying, I want to thank you for your effort in my life. I must confess to you that ever since I joined your course on local dropshipping, I have learned a lot, and indeed you opened my eyes. I wish more youth out there will utilize this great opportunity and learn from you. Now, listen to that one. You are a mentor indeed. That's serious. So, this is Chuku. This is Ben. Now, I don't want to be reading all through, but you could see that they had value. They're calling me a life coach and a mentor. You know, this is Dr. Peter. Actually, look at what he said. I just finished watching all the recorded Zoom videos. For me, even if we don't continue this challenge again, but with these apps and this course, Kai, I can move some mountains in the online space. A big thank you, instructor. Actually, after learning some things I taught him, he immediately organized the class. And he started making his money. And this is August, like 6th of August. So you should know that I know what I'm saying, because it's not about me, it's about you learning what I want to teach you today. But not to waste your time, we should not stay on. I can show you tons of people, videos, testimonials, but that's not the essence of why I'm here. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to show you how you too can be able to start growing your business if you have one, and make tons of sales. And if you don't have one, how you could start one and make money from it. Now, what's the difference between you and these people? The difference between you and Chuku and Ben and Peter is that they took a step and they are sharing their testimony. So I'm assuming that once we have worked together, I'm assuming you are here, you're this woman, I'm this woman. Once we've worked together, I'm a man, I just put that picture, because it's nice. Once we're done working together, you also will be sharing your testimony. Is that okay? Now, this is my deal. I want to show you exactly what to do to grow your business to 6 figures monthly guarantee in WhatsApp. Hey, this is not child's play. I'm not trying to hype you here. This is possible, and I'm going to show you how possible it is. Is that okay? So if you're with me, let's dive in. Now, but I have a question for you. Do you want to scale your business? Are you interested in scaling your business? Are you okay with having 5,000 naira profit in a month, 6,000 naira profit, 10,000 naira profit in a month, 20,000 naira profit? Are you okay with that? If you're okay with that, please, you don't need to continue this. What's the name? This class. You don't need it. You don't need this training. You can just end the training now, and just go do what you've been doing, and I'm okay with it. I only need those that want to scale. I only need those that are ready to scale their business. And if you're ready to scale your business, I want you to give me the next 20 to 25 minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it. Is that okay? So are you ready? So let me tell you the things I'll be telling you in this class. I want to show you how to kill the enemies called fear and scarcity. I want to show you why are we considering WhatsApp as the place to start selling. Why not Facebook? Why not Instagram? Why not Twitter? I want to show you why WhatsApp. I'm going to tell you why WhatsApp. I'm going to show you 3 ways to get WhatsApp contacts. I'm going to show you 3 ways to sell on WhatsApp. I'm also going to show you 5 apps you need to generate contact from WhatsApp group and send automatic message here now in this class. Are you ready? Are you ready? So let's start. Kill your enemies called fear and scarcity. Now, why do I have to start with this point? Because I remember when I said 1 million, like million naira in revenue, you're already feeling, is it possible? Now that is a fear, and it's because you are afraid and you have a scarcity mentality. Money only comes to those that have a right mindset. Your mindset must be right. You must not have this scarcity mentality. You must be able to tell yourself this is possible. Now, what is even 1 million naira? Or a million naira, or 6 figures? Let's even do. I just wish I could do a math with you now. So let me pull in my calculator and do some math with you. Sorry. So let's pull in my calculator. Okay. This is my calculator. So let's say you sell your products. Maybe in every product you sell, you have 2,000 naira as a gain. So if you're able to sell, let's say 4 or 5 a day, you are making 10,000 naira. Now you have how many days in a year? You have 365 days. So let's say times 365 days. How much is that? So you could see it. It's as simple as that. 2,000 naira. Look at it. It's 3 million. So it's not now I don't know how much you're making as your profit in your business, but this, just look at what I'm telling you. It's as easy as that. It's not that complicated. So now you're thinking, because I want to show you how to get 1,000+ contacts that you could turn them to your loyal customers, and you just need to sell to how many? Just 5 a day. Just 5. You just need to sell to 5. Look at it. 2,000 naira profit. If you're having 2,000 naira profit for everyone you sell, I'm sorry, you just need to sell 5 a day, and you are getting 10,000 naira. So if you can get 10,000 naira every single day, and it's possible, I want to show you, it's very possible. It's very possible to get 10,000 naira every day. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you with proof. Is that okay? So it's possible, and in 365 days, if you get 10,000 naira every single day, you have made 3 million naira. That is pure faith. Now, I don't know how much you get as profit from your business. So if you have 5,000 naira profit for every product, you only need to sell 2 products. If you have 10,000 naira, you only need to sell 1 product. And imagine you have 1,000+ contacts that you could generate easily. That is massive. Okay, so let's continue. So the first thing is, you must need to address this fear and scarcity. You must tell yourself, man, I'm in business for profit, and I can make profit. I will do everything to improve my business. Now let me give you a very simple example. Now, what you are selling, I want to ask you a question. What you are selling, are they people that are selling it and are making tons of profit from it? That is just a simple question. If there are people that are selling that same of your product and are making tons of profit for it, then go and sit down. You don't have an excuse. It means that you can do it. You just need to know the right strategies and be consistent about it. Is that okay? So why WhatsApp? Why should we deal with WhatsApp? Okay, I want to ask you a question. How many times have you checked WhatsApp today? How many times have you checked WhatsApp? Averagely, it was said that, people check WhatsApp at least 24 times a day. And WhatsApp is personal. WhatsApp is personal. It's like personal. You just wake up, check it, and you can see personal messages there. And there are tons of features that make WhatsApp selling easily. Now, okay, let me prove to you with this statistic I saw online. And this statistic, let me show you this statistic. I saw this statistic online and I copy. Let me show you online. I saw this statistic online. Okay, didn't copy. Sorry. Let me go back and copy it again. Copy. Sorry. So let me show you this statistic online. Okay, this is what I saw. Network. This is what I saw. Look at this. As of January 2021, Nigeria had. So this guy was writing this in March 23, 2021. As of January 2021, Nigeria had approximately 339 million active social media users. WhatsApp is the most popular platform used in the country with over 90 million users. Let's be sincere. If my grandmother was alive, she probably would have been using WhatsApp, because let me tell you, people are using WhatsApp in Nigeria. You could see this is a proof, and you know that. So this is the reason why you can make money from your WhatsApp from the comfort of your home, selling your stuff comfortably. Let me tell you, people are comfortable buying things online now. Let me be sincere with you, because with the arrangement of COVID, people learned how to buy things online, and they observed that, okay, it's possible to buy things online no matter what you sell. You sell physical stuff, you sell digital stuff, digital stuff. People are buying things online. They just want to make things convenient for them today. Is that okay? So these are the reasons WhatsApp is personal. Millions of people, you see 90 million in Nigeria are using WhatsApp every single day, and they check their WhatsApp at least 24 times a day. That is massive already. And it's very easy to get WhatsApp. You just need the phone and download the app. And with the app and the phone, with your number, you are good to go. And a lot of people have smartphones today. So that is why WhatsApp is not, if you're doing a business and you are not selling on WhatsApp, you're wrong. But the only thing I am afraid of is that most things I see they do, most people that sells on WhatsApp are just posting videos. they are not selling on WhatsApp. Now let me tell you something. How does WhatsApp work? I'm going to tell you how it works. Sorry. WhatsApp actually works with views and content. Views and content. So if you have more views and a good content, you have many abundance of sales, which results to thousands of nairas and millions of nairas. So you need views and you need what? Good content. So if you could increase your views and you have good content, you are good to go. If you have large views and your content is bad, your sales will be little. If you have little views and your content is good, your sales, nobody's going to buy from it, because that's how WhatsApp works. Is that okay? So 3 ways to get WhatsApp contact. What are the 3 ways you could get WhatsApp contact from WhatsApp? You could get it through manual method, Facebook ad method, and WhatsApp group method, or WhatsApp group contact method that I want to tell you about. So the first one is manual method. It's simple. You collect number from your family and friends. They save your number. You could add them on your WhatsApp. Once you refresh your WhatsApp, because if they are in WhatsApp, it automatically should, because they are saving your numbers, and that's it. Maybe you go to ceremonies, you save their numbers. You go to weddings, you ask people for their numbers. Fine. And most people there are your family and friends, people you know. And you agree with me that family and friends don't buy stuff from you. They don't buy stuff. They hardly buy stuff from people. In fact, how much will you make with family and friends? How many family and friends do you have? Do you have up to 1,000 family and friends on your WhatsApp status like this? Apart from that, when will you have people manually 1,000 plus? When will you have that? That would take you, I don't know, maybe 6-7 months or 8 months. If that's what you want to do. If that means if you're doing it consistently every day, maybe you are getting 2, 3, 4 people every day. So you do the maths. Number of time it take you to have 1,000 plus of contact that you can turn to loyal customers. So that's the manual method. Then the second one is the Facebook ads method. You could do Facebook ads, you could run Facebook ads, and you link it to your WhatsApp. So how this thing works is, you set up a Facebook, you have to set up a Facebook account, your Facebook page, you run Facebook ads, and maybe $5 a day. With $5, you have to get 10 people. Now that depends if you have a good ad copy, if you had a good image, or a good video, and your sales page is nice, that means you have a good presentation. You could sell using words, that could convert like 10 people on average with $5. $5 is around today should be around 2,000, 3,000. I don't know. With the dollar rate around 480 or 480 naira per dollar, so you do it, you should know that you're getting to around 3,000 naira for $5, 3 to 4,000 naira in $5. So you spend 4,000 naira every day, you should be able to get at least 10 to 15 people. That is if you know how to run Facebook ads effectively. You target the right people that needs your product. You have the right ad creatives. That means your copy and your videos or your images are top notch, because competition is high now in Facebook ads. Is that okay? That is also a means of getting people into your WhatsApp contact. So you one of the things they do here is that you suggest to them, you give them something like a freebie, a lead magnet, like a freebie, something that is very important that they want. Someone that for example, someone who wants to lose weight, and you are giving them a freebie of a lead magnet of 9 easy to find food they can find around their vicinity that could help them lose weight in, let's say, 21 days or in 30 days. Now that's a good book. Everybody that wants to lose weight, we want to get it. And imagine you put an image, or you showed images of like mango or a cashew there, and you are telling people that they can lose weight with this kind of cashew. They will come for the book. With that, you can get some few people come, 10 a day at max. That's what Facebook will give you. I can promise you, with $5, 10, 20 people. That's what they could give you. I've been in the game for a long while. So the other way is WhatsApp group contact. What you just need here is, you just need to be in a group. The tons of group you belong to, And I believe as I'm talking to you now, you are in tons of group. I know that you are in tons of group. It belongs to group, you know. So you just all you do is just with some clicks and some apps, you extract those numbers. You know, numbers should have around, I think in WhatsApp group you should have 250 some groups, and that if it is few, some groups have 140 something, 200. Before you extract like 5 groups, you already have 1,000 plus, you know. And with just this extraction should not take you more than 5 minutes to do it, and you could send them automatic message. I mean automatic message. Is that okay? Now, what are the 3 ways to sell on WhatsApp? You sell sending broadcast message, you sell on WhatsApp group training, you sell on WhatsApp status. Now, I put in influencers because I didn't put it as part of the ways because it's not effective. Why is it not effective? It depends on what you're selling and what the influencer stands for and the kind of people in his in WhatsApp status. So if he has a WhatsApp TV, for example, and you want to promote something to him, and you give him to promote maybe for for a day or for some hours. I don't know how many hours they do that. You give him to promote for some hours, and he's charging you, let's say 10,000 naira for that, or 5,000 naira. Some charge as more as 10,000-15,000 naira. Though you have people viewing it, but are we sure that the people are viewing it are those that are ready for a product? So that's why I don't use it. But your WhatsApp status is a very good way to also sell. So let's go. Sending broadcast message is simple. You just need to send something engaging, you know, engaging, entertain people, make it educating, engaging, and inspiring. Send messages to people. Now, for you to send a broadcast message, you will need to have had that person in your group. That means, sorry, in your number. That means that person will have your number. You'll have saved his number, and your number, he will have saved your number. So with that, you could send them broadcast message. Is that okay? So you add them to a broadcast list, then you could send them broadcast message like that. Then WhatsApp training. These are majorly for coaches or those that teach, you know, different skills or different things. So you get people, either you move them from a WhatsApp group to your group, or you run a Facebook ad. Depending on the means you want to get them, they come to your group. You teach them something for free, and you upsell to them like a master class, and people pay. So it's also one of the ways to sell on WhatsApp. Then the WhatsApp status, which I feel is more of one of the ways that you sell very, very well. Now, as I have said, what will make your WhatsApp status sell is 2 things. You see, the number of people viewing it and how engaging your content is. See, let me tell you, when we say engaging, is not putting funny things. People can watch funny things, but that doesn't make them buy. We're talking about engaging content that will result to sales. Engaging content that will make them buy what you are saying. So that is what we're talking about. And that is, so there are 2 things you must know that will give you massive sales in WhatsApp. People talk about that it's only 1 thing, view, but I'm saying no, it's not 1 thing, it's 2. If you have 1 and you don't have the 1, you are in lost. If you have much people viewing your status and you don't have good content, you're lost. But if you have less people viewing your content and you have good content, you are going to be lost. That means you will not have people that want to buy, because the more people you have seeing your product, the more people that will buy your product. So in marketing, they say 10% of. So if you have 100 people, 10%, that's 10 that will buy your product. So if you have 1,000 people, you have 100 people buying your product. So that's how it works. The number of people determines your sales in WhatsApp status. Is that okay? And this is the major part of it. This is the major part. This is what it is. So for me, I do WhatsApp status, and I send broadcast message, personal messages. Wow, I like this, because with this one, it lands in their personal, so they can see it. It appears, it will just land like this, and they will read it. They will read it, and very engaging. That is how I make this thing works. Is that okay? So what you do in this one, you write a good attention grabber. You raise a desire in their heart. Is that okay? Then you tackle their interest and you give a call to action. Boom! You tell them what you want them to do immediately. That's how I do my own when I want to send a broadcast message. Okay, so now these are the 5 apps you use to extract contacts. The first one is called the Extract WhatsApp Group Contact, the Universal Copy, the Drot Edit Free, Text to VCF, and your WhatsApp tool. Those are the 5 apps. Now you could see these apps on Google Play. Now you will not see this on Google Play, but you will see these 4 on Google Play. Now, but the only disadvantage is that you can't see this on Google Play. The first one, you can't see it on Google Play. You will see Universal Copy, definitely. You will see the Drot Edit Free is there. Text to VC, you could see them on Google Play, your Play Store. You will see them there. Then your WhatsApp too, you will see them on your Play Store. Now the only issue that for WhatsApp too, the one you're going to get is the free version, and the free version has some limitations. You can't send automatic messages. You send manual, and if you're sending manual, you have to send like maybe 20, and then you have to make sure you don't have the liberty of not getting banned. The truth is that if you are not careful with the free version, you will get banned. And I think last time I checked, the paid version was around, it's a lifetime actually, it's around 6,892 naira. Very simple, 6,892. You can get the paid version. So with these apps, you could extract contact in a blink of an eye. So I use this one to extract without even collecting a link from any group. It's just a click, boom, and you're good to go. So use the extra contact to get, you click on it just the way I showed you in the video. I believe you're watching this, is that you saw a short video I did. After you have extracted the contact with this extract, use Universal Copy to copy what you have extracted. Use the Drop Edit this Drop Edit is like a notepad. You store your contact there. Then this Text to VC, you move this contact from this Drop Edit to Text to VC. Then from your Text to VC, you move it down to your to your file manager. Then in your file manager, it's now saved in your contact. From your contact, you can now see it on your WhatsApp, and you can also see it on your WhatsApp too. There you can now send them automatic messages. So you can just click their name and boom, you send them messages. Now, what next? What should you do now? It's simple. I've taught you. It's just to build on it. It's as simple as that. I've showed you why you need to do WhatsApp. The first thing I talked about is that you need to kill those enemies called fear and scarcity. I also showed you why you need to use WhatsApp. I showed you see ways to get contact. I showed you the manual method. I showed you the Facebook ads method. I showed you also how to extract WhatsApp from any WhatsApp WhatsApp group contact. With that, you basically get 1,000 plus, just where I promised. I showed you 3 ways to sell on WhatsApp. It was actually 4. I told you 4, but this one will involve money for you paying. So that's why I just said it's 3. Not involving you paying anything. Then I explained how you do that with sending broadcast message. I said that person must have saved your number. You must have saved his number. Then you add him to a list so that when you send a message, you send him at once to them. So with that, you could not divide them into 2. You could send a broadcast message to those that are bought. There's what called label in WhatsApp. You could send a broadcast message to those that have bought your product to buy again, and you could also get a label of those that have not bought your product to make them buy your product. That's how broadcast message works. Then I told you about WhatsApp group. I mean, if you're a trainer or a coach, you could generate tons of people from WhatsApp group to your training. You train them, give them free version, good value. Then you could ask them for a master class, or per se, you ask them for a subscription, depending on what you want them to do. Then I talked about WhatsApp status. I showed you that this is the good mind. People are checking your status. Some people that will not even chat you up, on WhatsApp, they will check your status. They just want to see how what is going about you. So yeah, it's that the things that sell here is the views and the content. If you have good views, that is your views are many, very many, and you have a very excellent content, then wow, you are on your ways to millions. Those are things you just need. People are viewing WhatsApp status every second. So, and people are selling every second. They want to see you once you can give them value. So in this your content, you could make it, a video, you could make it image, you could make it text. Fantastic. WhatsApp give you the opportunity to do that. So and I showed you this 5 app and how you use them. You could see them on Play Store. Just that the first one is an APK file. You can't see it on Play Store. Then the WAS2 is also the free version, which adds some limitations. It could also be stressful, and I showed you ways on how to do that. So what next? What next is that just go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do what I've said. Just go practice. WhatsApp is a good man. Go ahead and do it. But if you need help, I have something for you. If you need help, this is for those that need help and those that really are serious about improving their business. I want to work with you personally for 14 days. I call it 14 days VIP challenge. Now, what I mean by VIP is visibility, influence, profit challenge. Now, in WhatsApp, what makes you sell is that you must be visible. If people don't know you, you don't sell. And when people know you, you must be an influencer. And how you do that is that when you have people contact, it makes you visible. With your content, it makes you an influencer. Then with that, you have profit. So with a lot of people you can extract from WhatsApp contact, WhatsApp group. You know why I love WhatsApp group? Because you that are joining the WhatsApp group, the reason you are joining the WhatsApp group, those people have similar characteristics with you. Either they came for a training, or maybe your friends, alumni, things like that. And those are customers. Those are customers, I tell you. You just need the right content and the right words, and you'll be cashing every single day from WhatsApp. Now, just getting 2,000 naira and selling to 5 people a day. 5 people. If you have 2,000 people on your contact list and you can sell to 5 people every day, that's 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira times 365 days, you're making 3 million and above. We just did the math together and we saw it. So now what is this 14 days VIP challenge is? Now, I call it a challenge because I don't sell course. Let me be serious. I don't sell course. I don't come and tell you come and buy course, because I see that a lot of business people, once you buy a course, you will not use it, and you're making me rich and you're not making money, and I don't want that. So I want to be a challenge. I want to be that, okay, I want to be involved in your business for 14 days. I want to see what is not working and what is working. Let's look at it. Okay, this is what you are doing. Okay, this is what you are not doing. Can we make it work? Let me share a story with you. A lady started a hair business. Okay, an hair business. Started an hair business. So hair business training. She was training people how to start selling hair. So the first month she made I think 50,000 naira. The second month she made 90,000 from training. The third month she made 150,000 naira. So she had a partner, and the partner was like, I want us to talk to this guy, this person. He could help us increase our sales. And she was very reluctant about it. They wanted to talk to Emmanuel Lamino, a very good salesman in Nigeria here. So she said no, she's okay with the profit. At least she's making in a month she could make 150,000 naira. That's okay, and she was a student, and that's cash. But persuasion, a partner persuaded her. That means a business partner. They said, okay, let's give it a try. So they met this guy, Emmanuel Lamino, and they paid him 200,000 naira actually, just to check what they are doing. And in just 2 days, you just check what they are doing, and in the next month they were making 520,000 naira in pure profit. In the next month, second month, 800 and is it 10,000 naira? 800. Before the third month, they started ranking 6 figures already. They are already in millions. Why? Because they had someone that was good to just look into their business and give them just few corrections. Not that what they're doing was wrong. They just need few things. So that's exactly what I want to do for you. I know what you're doing is right, but I also know you need more money and you need more people. So I want to show you how to just do few stuffs in the next 14 days. So it's a challenge. I'll show you day one, this is what you do, day two, what you do, and day one, you go and implement it in your business. Day two, you go and implement it to your business. Day three, you go and implement it in your business. Day four, you go and implement it to your business. Now, for the next 14 days. Now, I have a question. Is that a deal? Do you feel it's something that is worth it? Do you feel it's something you want to try? Do you think it's something you will want to do? Now, I mean, you're wondering, okay, what are the things you want to even be showing me in that 14 days? The first thing I will be showing you is that I'll show you how to use these apps actually to generate contact. I'm going to give you this APK file. I'm going to give you the paid version of this one that you could use. I'm going to give you the, and I'm going to show you how to use all this to extract at least 1,000 plus contacts in few clicks. From 5 groups, 6 groups, you're good to go. And even if you don't have groups, I'm going to show you how to join groups, how to join WhatsApp groups. I have people that want to buy from you. Now, the first thing I'm also going to teach you is how to be a baddest in content writing. I'm going to show you my content writing formula. See, it's not what you know. Forget it. It's not what you know. I don't write content the way you know people write it. Yes, I'm serious. I don't do that. My style of content is not what you know. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, don't forget, you need a good content. And now, I don't want to start styling you this one. This is real business you're going to do, because you're doing business and you need to put work in your business. Is that okay? With that, I'm going to show you story selling. Every brand, every business have a story that people want to hear. So how will you compose your story? How do you put your story together that every day consistently you make money from it? I don't know if you know of Emeka Nobis. Every time he tells the story of how he was once working in a petroleum company and he has to leave it, for he works for you for 10 years and he has to leave it and we're earning big and he has to follow his passion. And because of that, people are buying his course every single day. So he tie his story to his course and boom. But how is he doing it? I want to show you how to do story selling. I'm going to show you how to do story selling, and we're going to do it with your business. I mean, with your business. I'm going to show you how to do it, and you're going to implement it to your business. Me and you. Copywriting machine. How to write copywriting, like how to be a copywriter. Like, it's a cash crush. It's not a crash course. Like, it's not you becoming a baddest. You don't need to be like Gary Haber to be able to, I say Gary Haber. Yeah, Gary Haber, I guess, the best copywriter. I think you don't need to be him to sell. You just need to know the few things that work. The AIDA. I'm going to teach you how to grab attention, how to ignite, how to know your customers' interest, how to arouse their desires, and how to give them a good call to action that will make them sell. Then with that, in that 14 days, I'm going to show you some marketing principles. I know businesses stands on marketing grounds. They stand on marketing grounds. I'm not going to lie to you. They stand on marketing grounds. I'm going to show you, if you have the best sales presentation, the best everything, and you don't have a good marketing principles, you're wrong. You're going to make a whole lot of mistakes. So people will buy course and they'll tell you it's not working. The reason because they don't have some marketing principles. That's why those courses is not working. Because what takes a course to work is from one channel to another channel, and if one strum of that channel is missing, you're not going to get it. You're going to get it. You're not going to get it. So I'm going to show you how to connect the whole dot together with the marketing principle. So I'm going to teach you how to make your customers or your prospect offers every single day. How do you make them an offer every day that they want to play with you, they want to buy from you? How will you make them an offer that they want to buy from you every single day? How will you make them an offer that they want to buy from you every single day? Now, I know you're wondering how much. Now, I'm not dealing with how much. I'm just telling you the number of people I want to work with. That's the problem. Now, I know you're asking, how much is this? Now, I'm not even talking how much. My concern is, I just want to work with 20 people. That's the people I can work with. It's not about the amount. I just want to work with 20 people. 20 people. Now, the next question you're asking is, do you have a guarantee? Will this work? Yes, I have a guarantee. And this is the guarantee. For the next 14 days, you'll be working on your business every single day for the next 14 days. And everything you do, you are going to replicate it. in your business. So we'll do this today, you're going to replicate it the next day. We'll do it today, you're going to replicate it for the next 14 days. You're going to see it implementing it every day in your business for the next 14 days. Now, after that next 14 days, you're going to use the next 14 days again to duplicate that thing again. That you have 21 days. And if after the 21 days you put in the work, let me tell you, there is work. I don't want to lie to you, there is work, but you're going to make tons of money from it. So, would you prefer me telling you that there's no work and there's money, or tell you there's work and you're going to make money? Then you came in, you saw that there's no work, but you're not making any money. And don't allow them to lie to you. In business, you're going to put in some work. And these works are something you can do if you want to make more sense. Now, let me tell you, if you're kind of person that you don't want to do anything but you want to make money, please avoid me. I don't need those kind of people. I need people that are ready to work. So this is my guarantee to you. If in the next 21 days you are unable to make 100k pure profit from selling your product, I promise you, I'm going to write you an apology letter and I'm going to give you a refund of the money you will pay. I'm serious about it. I'm going to give you a refund of the money you're going to pay for this challenge. Yes, I'm serious. Yes, I'm serious about it. That's it. I'm going to give you a refund. You're going to hold all the training, everything, every material I'll be sharing with you. You're going to have it for free. And I'm going to refund your money. If at the end of 21 days of putting the work is what you have been doing, but you're not doing it well. So it's not like there's something new I'm going to do. It's just that I want to monitor the way you do it and I want to tell you how to do it well. That's just it. The simple thing I'm teaching you is how to get more views and good content. The platform we're using is WhatsApp. Generally WhatsApp. How to make 100k in 21 days in WhatsApp. Okay, so let me spice up the juice. Let me make it more juicy. And this is a book just came out last month. $100 million offer. See, let me tell you, this guy you see, this Alex guy you see, I'm not joking. You can go and check him online on YouTube. He's the best in sales as of today. I don't know if you know ClickBank, not ClickBank, ClickFunnels. The owner of ClickFunnels, Russell Brown. He was saying that this guy has not seen any salesman like this. He said it in his book. He said it. He was one that wrote the foreword of this book. A lot of people don't have this book in stock. They don't know it. I actually got it from my mentor. I'm going to give you this book. Immediately you pay, I'm going to give you the book. Now let me explain. I'm not trying to give somebody's book for free. I got this book for 2,000 naira from a mentor. He showed me where to get it in a Play Store. In an online store. Here, in Nigeria, because you can't actually buy it from Amazon. You know the way this thing works. But I'm going to give you the book. Now, not my copy. The money you're going to be paying, I'm going to use it to buy the book for you. Is that okay? But if you know how to get it, there's no fine. I just showed you the book. You should go and get it. But once you pay for the course, the money you'll be paying, I'm going to use part of that money to buy the book for you. Is that okay? So that is the offer I'm doing. Immediately you get this offer. Immediately you take on this challenge, this 14 days challenge, that could be able to generate you 100k in 21 days. I'm going to give you this as a first thing. This is the first thing I'll be welcoming you to take once you make your payment. Now, so you're also going to get lifetime access to me, like lifetime access. I mean, you're going to get lifetime access to me. You could ask me questions. You could reach out to me. How much will you pay to get me life access? So that's it. So let me go back and show you. So how much is this program? Very simple. It's 10,000 naira. Like 10,000 naira. Let's talk about payments. 10,000 naira. But I know Nigerians and doubt. So I want to make it something. You're going to be paying 10,000 naira, but what you'll be paying today is 5,000 naira. Then after you have made your 100k guarantee, you will pay my 5,000 naira back. I'm not doing this training less than 10,000 naira. But to is a per payment. That means we're doing it per payment. So you pay 5,000 naira to enter the training now. That is the challenge. To join the challenge now, 5,000 naira. Then at the tail end of the 21 days, which I am sure, that's why I have to allow you to do it. You're going to make 100k. Don't worry, I will monitor the system. Don't worry, I'll monitor it. Don't feel I know what I'm doing. I'll monitor it. And I believe you're a very honest person to be able to come in game. A business person should be honest. I mean, so after you've made your money, 100K, you're going to send my 5,000 naira to me in 21 days. And if you didn't make the 100K and you put in the work, because I'm going to monitor it, I will going to refund the first 5,000 naira you paid. And then, man, you still have this book to hold. That means I'm at loss. So I gave you my 5,000 naira and I bought this book for 2,000 naira. So I'm at loss. I'm at loss. I'm not even at gain. So, did you get that? Did you get that? So that's how it's going to work. So it goes for 10,000 naira, but you're going to pay 5,000 naira now, like today. You're going to pay 5,000 naira today. Don't forget, I only need 20 people, so you're going to pay 5,000 today. Then after the 14 days, and the next 14 days, that's 21 days together. Is it 28 days? I mean, that's 28 days. Sorry, 28 days together. The first 14 days for the challenge, which you're going to put it in your business. Then the next 14 days to further do it again, to start the whole process again. And you have not make 100K. I'm going to refund your 5,000 naira to you. And if you make your 100K, you're going to pay my 5,000 naira. And don't forget, I'll be at loss. Who does that? I mean, that is me. That's me. I'm crazy in offers. Is that okay? So the training will be starting on 27th of August. You only have from now watching the training till on 20th to decide, because I want to use 7 days to know those I want to. They are ready for payment. They are ready to start. I don't like last payment. I believe as a businessman, you should be ready to take your business, increase of your business at any time. Anything that looks to increase your business, you should be after it. So that's it. That is what I'm talking about. 27th of August. I would advise you come in today, because I don't know how long I could keep this offer. That's the truth. I don't know how long I'll keep this offer of giving you this book. I don't know how long, because it's not mine. I'm buying it, and I don't know where they will stop selling it. Is that okay? Now they are selling it. I don't know when. Like I told you, it just came in last month. It just came in last month. It just as in the book just came in last month. So a lot of people have not even, a lot of people have not even seen the book. They've not read it. And for me, I feel this is one of the best books. So how do you join this 14 days VIP challenge? It's simple. Just call this number or chat me up on WhatsApp, and you're good to go. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. We'll do a call. The reason I do a call and chat is because I want to be sure that you're going to put to work. I don't need your money, man. I need those that will give me testimonials like the ones I showed you. I need those that will make money and share me testimonies. Not people that will pay me money and will not do work and give me one silly excuses. Please, if you're part of them, don't come. I don't need you. I only need those that are ready to put in the work. Put in the work and get paid. Now, let me ask you a question. Will you prefer not put in the work and not get anything, or put in the work and make 100K by the 21st, the next 21st, the 21st day of the challenge? That means at the end of September, you'll be making tons of money. Now, let me tell you something that you don't know. The truth is that people buy things in this Abba month. So if you get your strategy right, your sales will going to increase. You bear me witness that you sell more in September, October, November, and December. So it means that if you get your strategy right, if you could get more people and good content, you're going to make more money than what you're making. I am too sure. That's why I'm bringing in this. So you could call me or send me a message. That's it. So let me go back and just tell you what this challenge is about. The 14 days challenge. I'm going to teach you content writing, how to structure your content. What's the first message you're going to send to these people that will make them save your number? A lot of people are sending message and being, I will not save your number with this thing. You're sending message for the first time, you're already telling me what you are doing. Who does that? I'm going to show you how to do it. How do you tell story that make people want to buy from you immediately? How do you use copywriting? The AIDA immediately. The simple formula is an AID machine, nothing more. I'm not teaching you this or that one. I'm going to teach you how to touch emotions here and there. I'm going to teach you how the foundational principles of marketing, which is very important for every business. I'm going to teach you how to make an offer every single day. you also have access to this book and also have access to my guarantee. This is a guarantee. If you don't make 100k after the first 28 days of putting this thing to practice, man, come back. I am going to return your 5,000 naira with you and I'll be at loss. I accept it. You still have this book. And this book alone, just having this book alone, the ideas you have in this book, if you read it, because you must read it, because it's part of what we'll be following in the challenge. If you read what is in this book, I believe that you're going to make money already. So that said, let me explain the payment again. So you're going to pay 5,000 naira now. Then later on, after the 28 days, you put in challenge for 14 days, duplicate it in the next 14 days. You have not made 100,000 naira. If you make 100,000, you pay my 5,000 naira back. If you don't make it, I pay your 5,000 naira. I may have lost in 2,000 naira. I'm going to use 2,000 to get this from you. Training starting on 27th. Better start now. Better get it now because I don't know if this offer will last at most. So just send me a message 070-3820-3824 on WhatsApp. I'll get a call with you and see if you're the type that could do what I want to do. Now, what if you don't have a business? You wonder, what if I don't have a business? The truth is that if you don't have a business, just chat me up. It's easy. It's very easy. Even if you don't have a business, it's very, very easy. I'm going to show you a business to do immediately. I'm going to send you a free course. That's free for me. I'm going to give it for free. You're going to watch it, learn from it. It's my course that I pick. People buy it for, let's say, 5,000. I said 5,000. I'm going to give you the course for free. Then, but I'll be sure you're going to join the challenge for me to give you that course of 5,000. I'm going to give you the course for free. And if that is not okay for you, I'm going to show you other ways to make money online easily with this method. Even if you don't have a product or you don't have a service, you are sending. So just send me a message. It's for everybody. As long as you're a business person that want to increase your sales, or you're new in business but you want to know how to get more customers and more this thing. Don't forget, there are two things I'm going to be helping you. I'm going to help you increase your contacts. I'm also going to help you get better in your content, and that is how to make massive money on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Don't forget to send me a message immediately now. Let's get started. Hoping to see you. Thank you.